Yes, I know I drank a lot, but just know you drank too much. Let's do this when we sober up. Okay, it's your fault.
What's up, gang? I'm back with another video. As y'all can tell by the title, we back with another mukbang. So this time we got juicy crab. And
so before we start this video, let me tell y'all what Kiara just asked me. She asked, you see how the bibs is, right? She asked me if we do like this.
Cause it looked like they switched it up a little bit.
That would be smart, though. Ooh, look.
Exactly.
Okay, let me find out.
Yeah, we got juicy crab. I mean, we got juicy crab.
I got the mussels.
Can I get the mussel?
Black mussels. Can I eat first?
Okay.
Black mussels, shrimp, and crab legs.
I got shrimp.
Oh.
God is good. God is great. Thank you for the nutrition of my mind, body, and soul. Amen. Like my papa said. I got corn, shrimp, potato, a mussel, and sausage. So yeah, let's start.
Oh, it's that hot.
Yeah, you got hot, didn't you?
Oh, this shit hot.
And I got orange pineapple drink.
Oh, them broke. This one broke.
Made no sense. Papa like that song.
What song? Or that NBA song? In 2006. This is Papa love that song. That's a dolphin.
What?
I said that's a dolphin.
Anyways, how y'all been? How you been since this last TikTok video that we did?
That was the last video we posted of us. I've been good, you know, I've been working. I'm an essential worker, you know what I'm saying? I've been good. It's been like I've been trying not to get COVID. You know, what's wrong though? How you been? Y'all, we haven't seen each other really.
In 2 weeks.
Yeah. More like 3.
I've been good. I've been practicing on hair.
Oh, we is not advertising Minute Maid. We don't get paid out there.
We advertising DDQC though. Yeah, I just been practicing hair. Cause I'm tired of waiting for somebody to give me money to get my hair done. So just do my own hair.
When she talking about hair, y'all, she talking about braids and stuff.
Yeah, braids.
I don't do braids.
Yeah. I can braid. You can do everything with a natural hair. Whole package.
Yep. But, how you feel about 6ix9ine being out of jail? And what he been saying?
What he been saying? I know he out of jail, but
He was trying to explain why it was okay for him to snitch.
what he say? Why was it okay?
He said because, you know, they was messing with his baby mama. They done stole money from him. You know, all this stuff. So they gave him the right to threaten his people. They gave him a right to snitch on them. Do you feel like if you go to jail, you snitching? Even if you did the crime, you know you did the crime.
He did the crime?
Mm-hmm. But he started snitching.
How? Like
Check it out.
telling who else was with him and stuff
Yeah,
like that?
stuff like that. And like saying that he was kidnapped and forced.
I mean,
But you know, he was doing all that trolling and stuff, so it's kind of like,
if my friends was with me, I wouldn't snitch. If I did the crime for real.
But they said they turned against him by the people he was with.
What about you? You snitching?
No, I'm doing the time. But see me,
How long he had?
I don't even know. But see me, you don't catch me in no dumb shit. So.
Right, the dog is missing.
So.
How you feel about Funny Mike and Jalea?
What about them?
Them breaking up.
They gonna be back together.
That's how I feel too, because
They got another baby on the way.
exactly.
This shit hot, y'all.
I feel like they gonna be back together. They got a child on the way. Basically what you just said. So it's not, and I don't even know why they broke up from the beginning. Do you? Me
I got that shit on my teeth. Fuck.
I think it's because they said it wasn't working out, but honestly, I think Funny Mike is too childish. Like he really spent, but you can't lie, his career is based off being funny.
Yeah.
So outside of him doing YouTube and stuff, what he gonna do? Be funny. And then
it's a time and a place for everything.
and you know he got the bad kids, right?
Yeah.
His YouTube's also based off them too. So I don't know what she expected.
It might not even be that though.
Yeah, it might be other stuff, but from what we seen,
They be doing. Oh, he be doing too much.
I agree. How you feel about Beyonce getting on Megan's song?
I feel like
It was a good right thing to do.
it's good thing, you know, help me. But she ate baby girl up. Yum yum yum.
Like she blinked harder than her.
Yeah, like. But I mean, it's Beyonce, so like.
I think she gonna get Megan out there more. But Megan made a name for herself, but still she gonna be out there more.
Yeah. You associated with Beyonce.
Especially if they perform it together.
I'm not no beehive or anything like that. Like I fuck with Beyonce, don't get me wrong. But you ain't gonna catch me like,
you say F word.
Oh my bad.
You can say nigga though. Go ahead and say F word.
I can cuss.
Yeah, but let's just keep it.
Oh, we're keeping it family friendly.
Yup.
Okay. You want to say that when
Man, Helly.
no, you call me a bitch.
On my prank that I never ever called you a B word in my life.
Okay, but anyway.
I'm falling off the chair trying to scoot up. Because you need to slide over so my chair can fit in.
Oh, you need to straighten your chair up.
That's what I mean.
Straighten your chair. That ain't me.
There's you.
Who's my muscles back?
No!
Y'all know how little kids be like, give me my muscle back. You not my friend no more.
Ah! I just ate a garlic.
You ain't my niece no more.
Yes, I am. Oh my god.
It was good.
That sauce got in my phone.
It was good.
What, that garlic? It was hot. While y'all watching this right now, make sure y'all subscribe to my channel. Make sure y'all thumbs up my video because I just got some freaking juicy special sauce in my phone for y'all. I'll get it out later. Also,
In your phone. I don't know what you're talking about, y'all. But let's get back to the goddamn food.
and make sure y'all thumbs up, subscribe,
Sorry,
and follow us on Instagram. Per, like P-U-R-D. Per.
Y'all got a boyfriend, y'all? Or girlfriend? Let's talk about it. Let's talk about it. You got a boyfriend?
Nope.
He gonna see this if you. I'm
for telling the truth, I don't got no boyfriend because right now, I like these kids is so childish. They worry about the wrong things right now. I'm done looking for a boyfriend. Not saying I was looking, but like that's just not important to me right now. Only thing important to me right now is y'all. We doing well. While we on this sport team, I'm getting right.
Okay. I feel it.
What about you?
Single.
Before I left my home, she had a boyfriend.
Who was my boyfriend, y'all?
Yeah, he made it to the wallpaper. So,
You need to mind your business.
you asked me. You asked me.
You need to mind your business.
No, we talking.
But it's not like, okay, yeah, okay. But, you know, me, I'm still cool, you know. We're just, you know.
Not a relationship.
Yeah. He got some stuff he can take care of.
Y'all know y'all can eat this.
Oh, because I'm tearing the thing up. We just taking our time. It's good, y'all. It's good to take time. Not even take time, like.
So don't pursue a relationship that you can't pursue.
Yeah, like. Make sure. Ooh. Make sure that you're good with yourself, or make sure you can do what your significant person is looking for to make them happy. Like, if you know they're not happy, don't try to keep trying to, you know, what's up the vibes.
How do you feel
Look at that, y'all.
about quarantine coronavirus?
Coronavirus.
Getting real.
I'm a loner anyway.
Huh?
I'm a loner anyway. I like being secluded anyway.
Not me.
I like being in my room anyway.
Oh, I like being in my room though.
I don't really like people like that anyway. Like, I like people, don't get me wrong, but like, you're just not gonna catch me with a whole bunch of people. Yeah, I don't like weird stuff that be yeah, me.
I feel like this coronavirus was eye-opening.
Wow, you said that? Dang!
But I wish it would go away so we can go back to the places. Honestly. The mall, the trampoline place. All kind of places.
Y'all, this is what a muscle look like. If y'all have never seen a muscle. No, I'm gonna show y'all a real one. It has a weird texture. But it's good. Just see all the favorite food. One of them. Y'all see that? That's what a muscle look like. That's how you eat it. She got that oil all in it. I'm done. Corn be the best part, y'all.
Oh, God.
That corn be so good. I'm hot.
You should bleed once a month. Cut that with the... Interview me about anything, everything.
I feel like I've done this before.
Interview me?
Yes.
You did when you was doing my hair. But, I just made a video go super fast, and they didn't see it.
If you don't bite that motherfucker.
Interview me. I know how to eat this food.
What motivation would you give your subscribers for the quarantine? They feel like they can't get through it.
What you mean you can't get
Because some
through
people forget depression because they can't go nowhere. You know what I'm saying?
They forget what?
People get sad and sick and depressed and stuff because they can't go nowhere. You know what I'm saying?
I feel like y'all should make this quarantine productive, if anything. Don't just sit around. I mean, ain't nothing much you could do, but...
So you're saying, like, go outside?
Go outside, start a business, ride a bike, read a book, write a book, anything.
Paint.
Be productive. That's all I'm saying.
Yeah, we got no hip ties. Y'all only ate that much. That is sad. So far, what you think was your favorite year of life?
Favorite year of life? Not 2019. Not
I think
2020.
2019 and 2020 was like
I think 2020 gonna be the
it's gonna
year.
end in the bang.
It's gonna end in the bang. Cause I told myself by 2020 I'm gonna be on track with this YouTube. So by December, cause this happened in like November. Everything started coming together. So yeah. But my best year in life, I don't think I had one.
Yeah, you got one yet. I think you're still young.
What was your best year?
My best year in life had to been 2014, 2015, maybe 2015, 2016. So it had to be like 2021. Maybe 19, a little bit. Because I was young and I was in college. And living my best life. With good people. Well, yeah, good people. Good lessons was learned. You know what I'm saying? Life was just great. Shout out to Winston-Salem's class of 18. I ain't graduated from them, but
Still,
once around, I was around. You feel me?
I would say my biggest year that I learned the lesson is 2019.
What last thing you learned in 2019?
A lot.
You learned a lot.
But ever since the beginning of 2020, what I learned so far is don't make moves out of anger. That's all I'm gonna say. Cause later on, you be like, dang, I really did that. Like, I should never fought that girl. That's what everything went like. But you live and you learn, so
Yeah,
kids,
she's suffering them consequences now, y'all.
don't make anger moves out of anger. You'll be okay. Just, I mean, if you just can't take it no more, you gotta do what you gotta do.
But pray on it. You know, try to get yourself together before things get worse. Everything can be resolved beforehand.